My dear students, myself Suguna HG, Assistant Professor, working at GFGC and PG Center, Chintamani, Chikkaballapur District. In this video, we are going to learn about linear algebra of BSc 6th semester, definition of linear combination, definition of linear span, theorem 1, that is, let S be a subset of a vector space V over F, and then L of S is a subspace of V and S is a subset or equal to L of S. L of S is the smallest subspace of V containing S. This is theorem 1. The theorem 2, if S and T are two subsets of a vector space V of F, then S is a subset of T implies L of S is a subset of L of T, and second, L of S is equal to S implies that S is a subspace of V, and S is a subspace of V implies that S is equal to L of S. L of S means linear span of S. And also we are working few examples based on these linear combinations and linear span. The first one, express the vector 3, 5, 2 as a linear combination of 1, 1, 0, 2, 3, 0 and 0, 0, 1. This is the example 1, and we are working another problem, that is, show that the vector 3, -7, 6 is in the span of S is equal to the set of vectors 1, -3, 2, 2, 4, 1 and 1, 1, 1. Next example is, show that the vector 2, -5, 3 is not in the span of S is equal to the set containing the vectors 1, -3, 2, 2, -4, 1 and 1, -5, 7. So these three problems we are working in this session, and also we prove the theorem 1 and 2. First let us take up the definition of a linear combination. Linear combination definition, let alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, so on, alpha n be n vectors of a vector space V of F. The expression C1 alpha 1 plus C2 alpha 2 plus C3 alpha 3 plus so on plus Cn alpha n, where C1, C2, C3, so on Cn are scalars, is called a linear combination of the vectors alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, so on alpha n. So the definition of a linear combination is, the vectors alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, so on alpha n can be expressed as a combination of C1 alpha 1 plus C2 alpha 2 plus C3 alpha 3, so on Cn alpha n, where C1, C2 dash dash are the scalars. Then definition of a linear span. A linear span is nothing but the set of all linear combinations. So definition, let S is equal to alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, so on alpha n be a non-empty subset of a vector space V of, then the linear span S is denoted by L of S and is defined as L of S is equal to C1 alpha 1 plus C2 alpha 2 plus C3 alpha 3, so on, plus Cn alpha n set, where Ci belongs to F and alpha I belongs to V, for I is equal to 1, 2, 3. For I is equal to 1, 2, 3, so on n, C1 alpha n plus C2 alpha n plus C3 alpha 3 plus so on Cn alpha n is the linear span. So the set of the linear combination is known as linear span. So now we have defined linear combination. It is nothing but the vectors alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, so on alpha n of the vector space Vf can be expressed as a combination with the scalars c1, c2, c3, cn as c1 alpha 1 plus c2 alpha 2 plus c3 alpha 3, so on cn alpha n. This is called as a linear combination of the vectors alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, so on alpha n. Then the set of these linear combinations is known as the linear span, that is the set S of vectors alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, so on alpha n be a non-empty subset of the vector space Vf. Then the linear span S denoted by L of S, that is defined as the L of S is equal to C1 alpha 1 plus C2 alpha 2 plus C3 alpha 3, so on, where Ci belongs to F and alpha I belongs to V for I is equal to 1, 2, 3 dash dash n. So this is the linear span. Now based on these linear combinations and linear span, let us work out a few problems and prove theorems. Theorem 1. Let S be a subset of a vector space V over F, then that is L of S is a subspace of V, and 2. S is a subset or equal to linear span of S. Third one, linear span is the smallest subspace of V containing S. So these three results we have to prove. Proof. Let S be the set of vectors alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, so on alpha n. Then the linear span of S is L of S, that is equal to C1 alpha 1 plus C2 alpha 2 plus C3 alpha 3, so on Cn alpha n by the definition, where Ci belongs to F and alpha I belongs to V for I is equal to 1, 2, 3, so on. And let us consider alpha and beta be two elements of the linear span. Then alpha can be written as C1 alpha 1 plus C2 alpha 2 plus C3 alpha 3 plus so on Cn alpha n, and beta is equal to D1 alpha 1 plus D2 alpha 2 plus D2 alpha 3, so on Dn alpha n. Let us consider A comma B belongs to F. Then the A alpha plus B beta, let us consider. A alpha into B beta is nothing but A into alpha, the combination, that is C1 alpha 1 plus C2 alpha 2, so on Cn alpha n, plus B into beta is nothing but D1 alpha 1 plus D2 alpha 2, so on Dn alpha n. Now by simplifying these terms, that is A into C1 alpha 1 and B into D1 alpha 1, so let us remove alpha 1 outside among these two terms. So you will get AC1 plus BD1 alpha 1 plus in the second term AC2 plus BD2 by removing alpha 2 outside, and similarly the third term will be AC3 plus BD3 into alpha 3, so on. The last term is ACN plus BDN alpha n belongs to the linear span of S. Hence the linear span is a subspace of V. Hence the linear span is a subspace of V. We took alpha and beta, two elements belongs to linear span set. Then alpha is a linear combination of alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, and beta is also a linear combination of D1 alpha 1 plus D2 alpha 2, so on Dn alpha n. If you consider A comma B belongs to F, then A alpha plus B beta is nothing but A into C1 alpha 1 plus C2 alpha 2, so on Cn alpha n, plus B into D1 alpha 1 plus D2 alpha 2, so on Dn alpha n. Now by simplifying this, we get AC1 plus BD1 into alpha 1 plus AC2 plus BD2 into alpha 2, so on ACN plus BDN alpha n. See, it is again a linear combination of the vectors alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 and so on. Therefore, it belongs to the linear span of S. Therefore, the linear span is a subspace of V. Hence, L of S is a subspace of V. Second result, let alpha belongs to S, then alpha can be written as a combination of the given vectors, that is alpha is equal to 1 into alpha plus 0 into alpha 2 plus 0 into alpha 3 so on 0 into alpha n. Again this belongs to the linear span of S. Hence S is a subset or equal to L of S. Then third result, from 1 and 2 it is clear that L of S is a subspace of V containing S. Let any other subspace V containing S and let us consider alpha belongs to L of S. Then alpha can also be written as the linear combination of the vectors of V, that is C1 alpha 1 plus C2 alpha 2 plus C3 alpha 3 so on Cn alpha n. Since S contained in T, C1 alpha 1 plus C2 alpha 2 so on Cn alpha n also belongs to T. That is nothing but alpha belongs to T. This implies that the linear span of S is a subset or equal to T. Hence, L of S is the smallest subspace of V containing S. Hence the proof. Next, theorem 2. If S and T are two subspaces of a vector space V of F, then S is a subset of T implies the linear span of S is a subset of linear span of T. Second, the linear span of S is equal to S implies that S is a subspace of V, and S is a subspace implies that S is equal to linear span. So proof, let S be the subset of T and let alpha belongs to linear span of S. Then alpha is a linear combination, that is C1 alpha 1 plus C2 alpha 2 so on Cn alpha n, where alpha 1 alpha 2 so on alpha n belongs to S. This implies alpha 1 alpha 2 so on alpha n belongs to T. Therefore, these vectors can be written as a linear combination, that is C1 alpha 1 plus C2 alpha 2 so on Cn alpha n. This belongs to the linear span of T. So, this implies alpha belongs to linear span of T, which implies that linear span of S is a subset of linear span of T. Second, that is the linear span of S is equal to S, we have to prove. So, to prove that one, let us consider L of S is equal to S. Since L of S is a subspace implies S is a subspace. Conversely, let S be a subspace of V. We have S is a subset of L of S. And let one element alpha belongs to L of S, then alpha is equal to linear combination of alpha 1 alpha 2 alpha 3, that is C1 alpha 1 plus C2 alpha 2 so on Cn alpha n. Since S is a subspace of V implies C1 alpha 1 plus C2 alpha 2 plus C3 alpha 3 belongs to S. That further implies alpha belongs to S. Therefore, this implies that the linear span of S is a subset of S. So, by 1 and 2, it is clear that the linear span of S is equal to S. Now, let us work out few problems based on the linear combinations and linear span. First problem, express the vector 3, 5, 2 as a linear combination of 1, 1, 0, 2, 3, 0 and 0, 0, 1 vectors. So, to express this as a linear combination, first let us take 3, 5, 2 is as a linear combination of these vectors. That is C1 of the first vector 1, 1, 0, C2 of the second vector 2, 3, 0, C3 of the third vector 0, 0, 1. Now, by taking the corresponding elements, that is C1 into 1 is that is C1 first term and C2's first term is 2C2, C3's first term is 0. So, the first term of the vector is equal to C1 plus 2C2, and second term C1 plus 3C2, and the third term C3. So 3, 5, 2 is equal to C1 plus 2C2, C1 plus 3C2, C3. Now by comparing the LHS and RHS, we get C1 plus 2C2 is equal to 3, C1 plus 3C2 is equal to 5, and C3 is equal to 2. So by solving these equations 1, 2, 3, see, one is C1 plus 2C2 is equal to 3, C1 plus 3C2 is equal to 5, and C3 is equal to 2. Now C3 is equal to 2 we have already, then C1 and C2 can be simplified by using equations 1 and 2. So equation 2 minus 1 will give us C2 is equal to 2, and using this 2, C2 is equal to 2 in 1, C1 is equal to minus 1. So we get the vector that is 3, 5, 2 is equal to C1 value is minus 1 of the first vector 1, 1, 0 plus C2 value is 2, that is 2 into 2, 3, 0 plus C3 value is 2, so 2 into 0, 0, 1. See, the vector 3, 5, 2 is expressed as a combination of the vectors, that is C1 alpha 1 plus C2 alpha 2 plus C3 alpha 3. C1, C2, C3 values are respectively minus 1, 2 and 2. So the vector 3, 5, 2 can be expressed as a combination of these three vectors as minus 1 of 1, 1, 0 plus 2, 3 plus 2 into 2, 3, 0 plus 2 into 0, 0, 1. Example 2. Show that the vector 3, minus 7, 6 is a span of S is equal to 1, minus 3, 2, 2, 4, 1 and 1, 1, 1 vectors. See, to show that it belongs to the linear span of this, first we should show that it is a linear combination of these vectors. Let us consider 3, minus 7, 6 is equal to the linear combination of these three vectors, that is C1 into 1, 3, minus 3, 2 plus C2 into 2, 4, 1 plus C3 into 1, 1, 1. Now let us simplify this. So we get C1 into 1 plus C2 into 2 plus C3 into 1, which is nothing but the first term, C1 plus 2 C2 plus C3, then multiplying C1 with the second term, minus 3C1, C2 with the second term, 4C2, C3 with the second term, C3. So the second term of the resulting vector is minus 3C1 plus 4C2 plus C3, and similarly the last vector is 2C1 plus C2 plus C3. Now comparing the LHS and RHS and equating the terms of these vectors, so we get C1 plus 2C2 plus C3 is equal to 3. Take this as equation 1. Then second term, that is minus 3C1 plus 4C2 plus C3 is equal to minus 7. Take this as equation 2. And the last term, 2C1 plus C2 plus C3 is equal to 6. Take this as equation 3. Now by solving these three equations, we get, by subtracting 1 minus 2, so we get 4C1 minus 2C2 is equal to 10. Treat this equation as 4. Then by taking the third equation and the first equation, that is 1 minus 3, will get minus C1 plus C2 is equal to minus 3. Take this as equation 5. Now by solving 4 and 5, 4 plus 4 into 5. So this implies that 2C2 is equal to minus 2. So C2 will get minus 1. Now substituting this minus 1 in equation 5, in the place of C2, we get C1 is equal to 2. So this implies that C1 is equal to 2, C2 is equal to minus 1, Now by substituting C1 and C2 in equation 1, we get C3 is equal to 3. Now C1 is 2, C2 is minus 1, C3 is 3. Now let us substitute these values in this linear combination. So we get 3 minus 7, 6 is equal to 2 into 1 comma minus 3 comma 2 minus 1 into 2 comma 4 comma 1 plus 3 into 1 comma 1 comma 1. So this is the linear combination. So we can express the given vector as a linear combination of this. Therefore it belongs to the linear span. Example 3. Show that the vectors 2 comma minus 5 comma 3 is not in the span of S is equal to 1 comma minus 3 comma 2, 2 comma minus 4 comma minus 1 and 1 comma minus 5 comma 7. See, if we can express this as a linear combination of these three vectors, then it belongs to the linear span. So in this case, we cannot express this as a linear combination of this. So just to show this one, let us consider it as a linear combination and we'll prove the required result. Let 2 comma minus 5 comma 3 is equal to C1 of the first vector plus C2 of the second vector plus C3 of the third vector. So by simplifying this, we get C1 plus 2C2 plus C3 comma minus 3C1 minus 4C2 minus 5C3, 2C1 minus 2C2 plus 7C3. By equating this to the given vector, so we get the equations C1 plus 2C2 plus C3 is equal to 2, minus 3C1 minus 4C2 minus 5C3 is equal to minus 5, 2C1 minus C2 plus 7C3 is equal to 3. Now by solving these equations, we get 5 into equation 1 plus equation 2 will get 2C1 plus 6C2 is equal to 5. Take this as equation 4 and 7 into equation 1 minus the equation 3 implies 5C2 plus 15C3 is equal to 5C1 plus 15C2 is equal to 11. Now again by solving 4 and 5, equation 5 into 4 minus 2 into 5, which implies 0 is equal to 3. See, 0 cannot be equal to 3, so which implies that 2 comma minus 5 comma 3 is not a span of S is equal to 1 comma minus 3 comma 2 and 2 comma minus 4 comma minus 1 and 1 comma minus 5 comma 7. See, we cannot solve these equations for C1, C2, C3. Hence, this doesn't belongs to the span of these vectors. Thank you.